Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello 18s! Welcome back to my channel. Talagang matagumpay ang Binibining Pilipinas performance ng SB19 dahil consistent at relevant ang kanilang performance. Narito.
With the kings of P-pop, SB19.
It's in the moments when your face is next to mine and we don't show it, but we're thinking of the times. My emotion, my desires taking over my emotions, my emotions. Want you everywhere, want you to scream my name with my hands around your waist. I like doing what we do in the
O diba talagang relevant at consistent ang every performance o pagtatanghal ng SB19 sa mga local show, international man o lokal. At full of energy. Kumbaga, kung anong nakikita natin sa mga music video tulad ng Moonlight ay talagang magkatulad lamang at walang kupas ang kanilang performance at energy.